Most people get this wrong. They assume all hearing solutions or assistive devices are the same, but Clear One Advantage offers some features worth considering. Today, they'll give you an honest review based on real usage experience. Clear One Advantage is a hearing enhancement system that focuses on clear audio and easy accessibility. The platform combines hearing devices with support services to help people with mild to moderate hearing loss. One key benefit is the personalized hearing settings. You can adjust frequencies and volume levels to suit your environment. Whether you're in a quiet room, outdoors, or at a busy restaurant, the system is easy to set up. Devices pair with smartphones, TV, or other audio sources, and the app allows fine-tuning. Most people get this wrong. They don't realize how much difference customizable settings can make compared to standard hearing aids. Another advantage is affordability. Clear One Advantage offers flexible subscription or purchase options that may be less expensive than traditional hearing aids, especially with ongoing support and device replacements. On the downside, it's not designed for severe hearing loss. Users with more significant needs may require specialized audiology services. Some users also report that while the audio is clear, battery life can vary depending on usage. In conclusion, Clear One Advantage is a solid choice for those with mild to moderate hearing loss who want a customizable, tech-forward solution without the high cost of traditional hearing aids. It's easy to use, flexible, and effective for everyday listening. Subscribe for more honest reviews on health tech and devices that improve daily life.